पहले तो बहुत खुशी है कि यार उनके ऊपर या उनके सारे काम को डॉक्यूमेंट करती हुई ये फिल्म बनाई है इन लोगों ने। सो जेम्स को, रवि को, सचिन को हिमसेल्फ, वो सबके लिए इंस्पिरेशन है। और आई थिंक देश भर में, देश के बाहर जो हमारे लोग हैं, सभी सचिन के नाम से इंस्पायर होते हैं, खुश होते हैं। हमारे देश की सारी होप्स उन पे इतने सालों तक टिकी रहीं और अभी भी वो हमको रास्ता दिखाते हैं। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी that somebody decided to make a film on his career and personal life.
Any particular qualities which you appreciated him?
I like the fact that Sachin has always been someone who's proved his worth through his work. You know, the term that my bat will do the talking actually is the most true for Sachin Tendulkar. And I've seen him in his ups, I've seen him in his downs. I've heard people talk about his form, and genuinely he's always kept quiet, always let his game do the talking. So I like the quiet resolution and the resolve Sachin's always had, and that's very inspiring.
Right now, it's a very emotional feeling. Apart from the life history of Sachin, I just believe that it's a fantastic film for the pride of India. And I was just telling Sachin, this film should be shown to every individual in the country. It should be shown in every school, not just because we are so proud of Sachin, but how proud he has made the country. And I hope that somebody listens to it and shows this film to the rest of the crowd. It's throughout the film. Right now I do not have the right words, and I'm just so emotionally moved by the film. But that's all I can say. I'm just so glad that this was made. We all know about the life of Sachin, but indeed the film, what it has done, it has shown to the rest of the world how somebody from very humble beginnings can put up a fight and make this country so proud. And I just feel so happy today that I'm an Indian. Thank you.
Well, I've been a huge admirer of Sachin's. I've always said very publicly that Sachin is one of my idols. And to get the privilege to experience his journey today is very emotional. And I just told him actually, I said, you know, Sachin isn't just a person, Sachin is an emotion. Sachin is India's emotion. And after the release of this film, I think the world will know that he's the world's emotion. I wish them all the very best. It's a beautiful film. And I feel very privileged that I have the honor to say that I know Sachin Tendulkar.
Good evening, and we're talking about Sachin. You don't need to say much. It's the national chant. I think when you just say Sachin, Sachin, it pretty much says it all for all of us. So proud of him.
Well done, Sachin.
It's congratulations to the entire team
Well done, really. It's very
to have the nation celebrate him.
So how think I also went
We
here.
know him personally, so the emotion is personal as
Thank you.
well. And obviously, I relate to his family sentiments. So I was very moved and very overwhelmed. And of course, extremely proud, as every Indian has been and will always be. So, God bless.